Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for today's episode guys, I would be happy to share to you my luxury wish list for 2022. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and I would be happy to welcome you to the fam. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So guys, I don't have a huge or large wish list. I only have 5 bags that I'm eyeing for, but to be honest, I'm not eyeing to purchase all of these 5 bags for 2022. If I would be able to purchase just one bag among this wish list, I would be very happy. So let us dive right in. Alright, for number 5 wish list, it would be from Louis Vuitton. So with Louis Vuitton, I have visited recently the flagship store here in Greenbelt, Philippines. I'm going to link it up here, put it in the description box. I hope you've seen that. There is one bag there in particular that when I've seen this, my jaw dropped. It's the Keepal XS in the Eclipse monogram. I hope I'm getting that right. So technically, I am wanting a Nano Speedy, but then again, Nano Speedy, you cannot purchase that anymore at Louis Vuitton boutiques. You would need to purchase it from a reseller or pre-love, but I am not willing to purchase it, you know, at a premium price. That's why when I saw the Keepal XS, it actually pleases me a lot. I love the shape. You know, it has a detachable strap, and what I love about this one, because again, I'm a fan of monogram, then this comes with the Eclipse monogram with the black leather trims. So black leather trims and black leather is way better than the regular vachetta because again, it would not age and it would not have watermarks. And the price point of the Keepal XS, OMG, it's just, when I visited, it's just around within, you know, my price range, around $2,000 US or 100,000 pesos. So hopefully they would not increase the price of this one. As we know, we can expect there will be newer price increase of Louis Vuitton coming 2022. Alright, for my wish list bag number 4, it would be from YSL, and it is their Cassandra top handle bag. So I have seen this one in person and I immediately fell in love during one of my shopping vlogs at YSL. Again, I'm going to link it up here and put it on the description box. So why I super love the Cassandra top handle? Number 1, the material of this one is made of 100% genuine leather. So in my wish list, what I would be dreaming of would be the black grain version. When I've looked at, you know, the grading of this bag, it looks like the caviar leather of Chanel. Then of course, I would want the hardware to be in yellow, shiny gold. Plus, what I also love about this one, of course, it comes with the top handle. It really resembles a Kelly bag of Hermes. And I think the only downfall of this bag would be the strap. So I'm not really sure if I could remember it correctly. I'm not really sure if the strap is fully detachable or not. But even so, I would still love to add the Cassandra top handle in my collection. So if the black version is not available, I would be okay with the red. And then for the size, I would definitely love the mini size. So I think that would be the mini or the smallest size of the Cassandra top handle. But I would be honest, I'm not ready to pay the Cassandra top handle full price. As you know guys, YSL, they do have sales, plus they also, you could purchase this via outlet store. So if I could purchase this, maybe if it's on sale or pre-love, then that would also be okay with me as long as the condition is at least 9/10. Right, so for my next wish list would be entirely from Chanel. As you know guys, when I have purchased Chanel last year, all I could think about is Chanel. And to be honest, I would be happy just to add Chanel bag in my collection moving forward. So for the top 3 wish lists, it would be the classic walk in caviar. So this one, so technically guys, I am not really a wallet on chain person kind of guy, but I have been hearing a lot here in YouTube YouTube that the most used Chanel bag in their collection would be a wallet on chain. So yes, it is an SLG, but definitely you are using it, you know, as a bag. You could carry it around, you know, during travel. It's very carefree. So that's why I'm a little bit intrigued. And for my wish list, if I would be purchasing a wallet on chain, so again, I would want it to be the classic style. So of course, it would be the diamond quilting. The material would be caviar. It should be black, and if I could choose, it should be in gold hardware. So I feel that this one, yes, it's small, but you know me guys, I'm a fan of a mini bag, so I don't have any issues carrying only the bare essential. That is why I would love to add the wallet on chain on my collection. Alright, for my wish list top number 2, it would be again from Chanel, and I would definitely want to add another vintage Chanel flap. So just like my Chanel number 1, of course, if you've seen her, you know what she looks like. I'm going to put a photo here for reference. Like what I mentioned, she is the queen, and I super love Chanel number 1. That is why for this year, my goal is still to add another vintage Chanel. So what I would be wanting would be number 1, of course, I would want it to be in lambskin leather. If I could find a caviar leather, then that would be so much better, but lambskin would be okay with me. Then definitely I would, since this is vintage guys, I would want it to be in, of course, in 24 karat gold hardware, because to be honest guys, the 24 gold carat hardware is what it's the main reason why I am in love with vintage Chanel bag. So the size, I would want it to be either a mini square, mini rectangle. It could be classic small, could be a small, could be a medium, could be a large. Any of those, I would not be very choosy, because as you know guys, if you are also, you know, looking online for pre-love vintage Chanel bags, they're very hard to come by. So for me, that's why I have a little bit wide range of what vintage Chanel bag that I wanted. But I would still be very open, just as long as the condition would be like my Chanel number 1 would be around 8 to 9 over 10, then I would be very happy to add it in my collection. Honestly, I'm so excited what 2022 would bring for me. Alright, so for my wish list top number 1, it would still be from Chanel, and it would be a classic flap. So for what I'm wanting guys, of course, the material would be in black caviar, then it would be gold hardware. So since this is not a vintage compared to my wishlist number 2, so I'm okay with around manufactured from 2010 and above. Then of course, I would be very particular definitely with the black caviar leather. The size, I am open again to a mini square, mini rectangle. It could be a small, medium, large. I am okay. As of the moment, as you know guys, I don't have a caviar leather Chanel bag, but I know deep in my heart that I am a caviar kind of guy, because every time that I would be seeing one through YouTube's here, to the people that I follow here in YouTube and on Instagram, my jaw would instantly drop if I would be seeing somebody unboxing or, you know, telling their story about their Chanel bag in this combo, the black and gold. OMG, there is something about that combination that, you know, really melts my heart. But OMG guys, as you know, caviar leather for Chanel is super expensive. I'm not really sure if I could purchase one this year, but definitely it is on my top 1 wish list. If for example, I would be purchasing only one bag for this year, then definitely this would be it. I would be okay to be purchasing just one bag, just as long as I would be purchasing my wish list number 1. So hopefully guys, you enjoyed this episode. I would love to hear your 2022 luxury wish list guys. What are yours? Please do comment down below. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe, and I would be happy to welcome you. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, guys, thank you so much for staying with me in this episode. I will see you soon. Please stay safe always. Bye!